Frugal living is all about making conscious choices with your money. Contrary to popular belief, being frugal doesn't mean sacrificing everything you love. It's about finding a balance between saving and spending wisely. So let's uncover the 13 things frugal people never do. Number 1. Pay retail. Frugal people know the value of a good deal. They use apps and browser extensions like Capital One Shopping or Honey to uncover hidden discounts and save money on their purchases. Number 2. Ignore cashback shopping/rewards apps. Frugal individuals take advantage of rewards credit cards, cashback programs like Rakuten, and shopping apps like Fetch Rewards and Ibotta to save on everyday expenses. Number 3. Carry a credit card balance. Frugal people understand that carrying a credit card balance not only leads to unnecessary interest charges, but also negatively impacts their credit score. They prioritize paying off their credit card bills in full each month. Number 4. Ignore their health. Being frugal doesn't mean neglecting your well-being. Frugal individuals prioritize regular checkups and preventive care to catch potential health issues before they become more serious and costly. Number 5. Spend their whole paycheck. Living below your means is a fundamental principle of frugality. Frugal individuals prioritize saving and budgeting to ensure financial stability and prepare for emergencies. Number 6. Use buy now, pay later. Frugal people avoid buy now, pay later services that can lead to impulsive spending and potential debt. They stick to their budget and save up for purchases instead. Number 7. Waste food. Frugal individuals understand the importance of minimizing food waste, especially considering the rising cost of groceries. They employ strategies to stretch their food budget and reduce waste. Number 8. Pay bills late. Frugal people know that paying bills on time is crucial for maintaining a good credit score and avoiding late fees. They automate bill payments or establish a routine to ensure timely payments. Number 9. Grocery shop without a list. Frugal individuals plan their meals in advance and create shopping lists to avoid impulsive purchases and overspending at the grocery store. Number 10. Toss something that can be repaired, reused, or sold. Frugal people embrace the mindset of reduce, reuse, recycle. They find creative ways to repair items or repurpose them to save money and reduce waste. Number 11. Let insurance renew automatically. Frugal individuals take the time to review their insurance policies and compare quotes to ensure they're getting the best coverage at the best price. Number 12. Window shop, online or off. Frugal people resist the temptation of unnecessary shopping. They find alternative activities that don't involve spending money to avoid impulsive purchases. Number 13. Keep up with the Joneses. Frugal individuals focus on their own financial goals and aspirations instead of comparing themselves to others. They appreciate what they have and make intentional decisions based on their values. And there you have it, the 13 things frugal people never do. Incorporating these habits into your life can help you save money, reduce stress, and achieve financial freedom. Remember, frugality is not about depriving yourself, but making smart choices that align with your goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.